I'm Moonstriker Games, and I'm making a 3D action-adventure game called Wandering Beasts, where you can transform to animals. Player movement is something that most games need, and for me, I used an add-on called Third-Person Controller, and it worked in the beginning, but in the past few weeks I've been writing my own script because trying to get that one to work was just such a big hassle, and I didn't want to use it anymore. And you know how I said I would get animations to play on a key press? Well, I did, but the old script jumping mechanic had to have a signal to see if the player had touched the ground, but the way it was set up didn't let me check if it had touched the ground, so I wasn't able to do that. So I've decided to write my own script and make it work. And I did that. Okay, before that, while I was working on this, I had a problem if where you pressed any button besides WASD, it would make you move forward while playing a broken idle animation. It was sad, but then I decided to go to the Godot website and search for 3D movement or something like that, I don't really remember. And you know what came up? A script with the controls I had been trying to figure out in the last 3 weeks. You know, it's amazing. Later on a Friday morning, I don't know which, it's been 2 months, I added an FPS counter. All I needed to do was change the font and size and make it look pretty. Well, I finished that. It didn't take too long. And it was fun, so that's what game dev's about. Later, I made the sword model since my friend at school said it looked too generic, and I drew this non-generic sword, and it took me 2 days to remember how to export the UV map, because I'm pretty sure Blender changed where it used to be. Oh, hey Gary. This is Gary the Duck, everyone. And he says I still need to add jumping to the player script. Thanks, Gary. I'll do that tomorrow morning. Well, didn't take as long as I thought it would. Took me like 1 minute. You literally just have to apply a Y velocity upwards. Don't know why it took me so long to do that, but yeah. I found this weird bug. You can just fly repeatedly if you hit space. Like, a bunch in a row? Yeah, it was weird. Well, it was an easy fix. You just had to make a new variable, set it 5 more than the jump force, and done. Problem solved. I spent a week trying to get the camera movement to rotate around the player, and I didn't think to check the asset store. I know, silly me. And then I saw a short tutorial where he used an asset. And yeah, it works. I just need to figure out how to rotate it around the player, so then it actually works, you know? Yeah. Well, I'll figure that out next week. Wait, what's that, Gary the Duck? You have something else to say? He says the upload schedule will hopefully be every other Monday. And if you want to hit the subscribe button and the bell, that'd be nice. Thanks. He also thinks you're going to like what the next devlog is about. In case you can't read my handwriting, it says Basic Transformation Mechanic. Again, I'm Moonstriker Games, and have a good day.